Hey, Blake Sammons here. I am the listing agent for 2786 Parker's Landing Road, and here is your guided tour. Starting here, this is an upgrade of the front door. It is a completely customized door, one of a kind. It's been hand etched with sandblasting. So the other really unique factor is when you get inside, there's a light switch and it actually illuminates at night, so that way you can see it from the front yard and from the inside of the house. In the master bedroom, all of the can lights have been completely upgraded to be Hue Smart. The lights can be completely customized on your phone to be any color or hue that you would like. In 2020, the master bathroom had a complete update with all new lighting, new flooring, new shower, and new tub. The closet also received an upgrade of a California closet system. My favorite part of the upgrade is that they put in a secret Murphy door to get to a office and or a closet expansion. Come on in. Welcome to the Dragon's Lair. This is essentially a bonus room or a media room, or it could be a pool table room. Our clients have it set up as a media room right now, complete with a big screen TV here. This mini split was put in 2021, and it is completely insulated in here. Notice the coastal stone floor that was featured in Charleston Home Magazine, and it goes throughout the entire garage. Now there's several upgrades in the garage that I want to point out. You got slat walls on the left and right side. You've got additional storage in the garage. And again, this stone floor goes all the way through to the back of the garage. Now the best part about this is there is a full bathroom at the ground level. And since there's a pool in the back, this is the best access for the bathroom to the pool. So some additional upgrades that our clients did was they completely hardscaped on the back side of the house here that comes out of the garage, created a seating area back here, additional storage under the stairs, this built-in barbecue area with a pergola, complete with a gas fire pit, and then some additional landscaping. All right, so let's talk about some things that's not so easy to get some shots of. So our clients also upgraded the roof, the gutters, and installed an entire irrigation system in the house in 2021. The HVAC upstairs is a 2017. The one on the primary level, the main level, is a 2021. I hope you enjoyed your upgrade tour. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. Thanks so much.